Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, I am so excited because my premium box has arrived. This is so exciting. On my channel, I pay for 2 premium boxes and I make different choices in each one. I was supposed to get both premiums today. The person who delivered this one said that they only had that one in the truck. So hopefully I'll get another one at one point today, and then I will film that one for you guys. So that we'll be able to see everything that was in our premium boxes. But I pay for both because for me, the choice items more than pay for what is in the box. But as you know, when you have 2 separate accounts, they cannot communicate with each other, and they can't promise you that you're not going to get some duplicate items in one and duplicate items in the other. And usually with the premium, there's not that many variations. So I do end up with duplicates, and that ends up going into the gifts for later. On my channel, what I do is I open up everything prior to, and I take a picture for my Instagram. So I always tell you, you're missing out if you don't follow me there. My name is True Wants with the number 2 over on Instagram. Now let's get started because I have majority of it on my face today, and I pulled out some other products that could have been in the premium box, but I already had it. So I didn't choose it for myself, but I'll be able to show it to you today as well. All right, so this one here is, the theme is So Fresh and So Clean. The variation that I got, I'll have to leave that in the description box down below, because I wrote something and I wrote over that code. So the first item that was in here took me a little bit for surprise, because this is an item that I already have, and I'm pretty sure this was a choice item last month, but I think it was in the base box. So this is going to go into my gifts for later, and I pulled out the one that I have, and I'm wearing that on my eyes today as well. And I will definitely swatch at the end of this video so you guys will be able to see what the swatches look like. But I definitely have shared this with you in the past, and I have worn it numerous times because it is a gorgeous palette. On the outside of this, it is a gorgeous shell. Her packaging is beyond stunning. If you follow Dominique, she is one of the early influencers, and she has her own product line, and this is her new packaging. So she has a fantastic relationship with Boxycharm that she's able to, and Ipsy actually, because she did at one point work for Ipsy at the beginning as one of the early influencers. So really excited. Like I said, I will definitely swatch this. It's what I have on my eyes, and I will share with you at the end of the video how I have it on my eyes as well. But what I couldn't wait for in this box was this. This is the Hide foundation. And this one here, I got one, I think, in this box in one shade, and then in the other box that's coming, I think I chose a second shade. But this shade is bang on. So I'm really happy about this one. This one I took for myself in light beige. And at the end, I will swatch everything for you and share with you. But I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me read you a little bit about this one here. This one says it is colors you'll adore for the moments you'll cherish. This palette includes 6 warm, buttery shades ranging from rosy hues to rich burgundies with a mix of shimmers and mattes, and even a glitter that will finish creating your endless looks for the gatherings and fun events ahead. It is ultra pigmented, super blendable, and perfect for those days and nights. And this is a $28 value on its own. This palette, I'm telling you, is everything and more. The next item in here is that Hide. And this is that premium foundation. The shade that I chose in here is light beige. And this is the perfect liquid foundation. It says achieve the perfect natural look with a soft matte foundation that easily builds to medium full coverage. The custom oil formula is made to resist sweat and won't clog any pores. This is a $30 foundation, and this is brand new to Boxy. And I don't know if I mentioned at the beginning, the premium, you get 6 full-size products. and it's around that $40 mark. Now, this foundation alone is $30, and this was one of the choice items. So that's what I mean. And with premium, you actually get to choose 2 items. So the choice is more than pay for the box. So this is in the shade that I said is light beige, and I will definitely be swatching this for you guys at the end, but it is what I'm wearing on my face. It went on beautifully. I thought it was going to be a heavier foundation because, first of all, I didn't see this even in the drop shop where we used to, if we didn't get items in our boxes, they usually had them in the drop shop so that we wouldn't have FOMO. But I did find this on Amazon, so I will link that down below so that if you're interested in this, I will definitely have access to you guys through the Amazon link down below. But this is one that I am really, really impressed with, and I'm excited to see what the other shade is. But for me right now, this was a perfect match. So this one, as I mentioned, was new to Boxycharm, and it was new to me as well. The next one in here was my other choice item, and this is a brand that I have shared with you on my channel that I'm enjoying so much. This is called a Volition Beauty, and it is the Strawberry Sea Brightening Serum. It is a brightening serum that is powered by 20% strawberry that is derived from vitamin C and hyaluronic acid for noticeable radiance, hydration, and even toned skin. This serum is $42, which is the price of the box. This I also used this morning when I got the box, and I put it on. It penetrated beautifully. It left a little bit of a tackiness to it, but it might have been that I didn't let it set long enough. And then I put on my primer over it. I didn't use any moisturizers or anything today. I wanted to just use a primer, this, and the foundation. So that is what I did this morning, and I really enjoy it. Like I said, it beautiful. And then I will definitely swatch all of that at the end. The next item in here is the mascara that I have on, and I am blown away by this as well. And I'm so happy with this box. This one is from ULTA, and this one is called Salute to the Sun. It is a Drama Bomb mascara, and I have used ULTA mascaras before, and there also is a ULTA by Sharon C that is sold also in Walmart, which is her drugstore version, and I was impressed with the mascara from the drugstore version as well because I was able to pick that up in the add-ons. This one here is definitely from her higher end line. This one is a $19.50 mascara, and it says this is a bestseller. It is a non-dripping in gold. It is a unique hourglass shaped wand that grabs and lifts each lash, delivering extreme volume, while the nourishing formula moisturizes and promotes lash growth. This, I'm telling you, went on so beautifully. The first coat was spectacular. The next coat just brought it to a whole new level. It is really beautiful. It is not wet, it is not dry, it is perfection. And it is that hourglass that if you like the wand that is in the Too Faced Better Than Sex, it is very similar to that. The next item in here was from Able. And this is another brand that I'm really impressed with as well, and it is a really expensive brand, but we don't pay those prices, and we usually get access to this in the drop shop, but I definitely see results from this brand. This one is their Glycolic Acid Molecule Boost Eye Serum. I used this also this morning. It felt really beautiful on. I'm able to put makeup on right over it. It penetrated beautifully as well. This one, it's saying it is $104, and it says this 3-in-1 serum is a potent eye serum designed for our delicate eye area. The nutrients are blended specifically to reduce puffiness, dryness, dark circles, and wrinkles. The next item that we have in here, and like I said, I'll open up everything and swatch for you at the end. The next one in here is what I have on my lips, and this is something that I got early on in Ipsy in a Huda shopper deal. And I don't know if you guys saw, I got a fantastic shopper deal that I already put up on my channel for, it had all these hair care tools. It is phenomenal. If you haven't seen that, you should definitely watch it. And to go to my videos, it is so easy. When you go, I don't like putting it up on the end of the screen. So what I suggest is in the section where my picture is, right underneath the video where it's my picture with True Wants, click on the picture and it brings you to another page, and you will see the tab that says videos. You click on that and you will see all the current videos, all the videos. You can hit play all and just, you know, have a marathon of True Wants videos, but you will see all the videos that I've already posted for this month, and each one has been better than the next. This one is in the shade Color Luring. What's beautiful about this is it's such a great gift-giving gift, because when you get it, it is in the packaging like this. The package of the actual product is inside here, and then it is just such a fantastic, it is so packaged ready to give as a gift. But Huda was one of the first ones that I tried her liquid lipsticks, And these are so, so beautiful. And this one is in that shade called Alluring. And this one says it's an iconic game-changing liquid matte lipstick in a comfortable weightless formula. It is easy to apply. It is velvety and vibrant, and it keeps your lips supple and maximum color payoff for 8 hours. And this is a $21 value. And like I said, it's on my lips. Literally, I did it with one. I didn't have to go back and dip in. So with this, it has a little bit of an angle on it. I did my lower first, and then I did my upper, and I didn't have to go back. But if you want to go back, you can build on this. It doesn't get crumbly or anything. It is really, really perfection. I like Huda Beauty. I used to pay full retail for Huda, but we are so lucky with the relationship she has with Ipsy and now Boxycharm that we're getting these products now in Boxycharm. So excited about that as well. So that is the last item that is in here. So let's do some swatching so that you guys will see how gorgeous these colors are. So what I did with my eyes, just so that you know, the one here, the first one on this line here is called Love and Light, and I use that in the corner of my eyes. The next one in here is called Warm Heated, and this one I used to a little bit deeper in my transition. This one here I used in the center of my eye, and it is called Soul. And what I ended up doing with the Soul one is it went on nice, but when I did it, see how gorgeous it is with a finger swatch? But when I did it and spritzed it, it gave it a whole new dimension. Then this other one that's Corazon, C-O-R-A-Z-O-N. This one here I used as my upper transition, and as I share with you all the time, I go higher up and then I deepen it where my real crease is. And then the last color that I used in here was this one here, and this one is in the shade called Jaden, and that is how gorgeous that color is there. The one that's in the middle here is a true glitter. I'm not even going to swatch that because it is true glitter. If you're going to choose to use that, I always suggest whenever you're using a glitter that can possibly fall out or get into your eyes, to definitely use those glitter glues that are, you can get them at Too Faced, you can get them from NYX. I think we even got one in our boxes from Alamar, but that is how gorgeous that is here. Now, this is what the actual product looks like for the $104 eye cream. It goes on like that. Like I said, it was more of a gel formula, and it was a little cooling underneath the eyes, but it spread so beautifully. And when you're doing any form of eye cream, and especially, you know, if you spent that $104, treat it like you did. What you do is you take a pea-sized amount, you tap it in between your two weak fingers, which are your ring fingers, and then you take it and you tap it around your orbital bone. Do not go too close up you don't have to go too close up because it will migrate up and then you'll get tearing. But if you go around the orbital bone, you will see a big difference, and you will see how it will help with the cream not getting into your eyes or migrating, that you'll get that tearing. So that is that there. I shared with you the mascara, the Volition. I can never pronounce that properly. Like I said, it is a gorgeous serum. It's easy with this dropper to just take a couple of drops because that's all you need. It is so beautiful, and you can see it has a little bit of a density to the formula, so it is a true serum. And when you put it on your skin, it will just glide and take it down your neck right away to your décolleté. That one little drop could have done my whole face, and then I did another drop on my neck and my décolletage. So that is the serum. And now the hit of this box, which would have been the eyeshadow palette if I didn't already own it. So that's what I'm saying. And then the mascara was beyond. So this is the shade here that is in light beige. And this is the shade that worked perfect for me. It has a bit of a neutral undertone, which is what I like. And that is the shade that is light beige. So that's everything that I got in my box. I'm going to, here is my eyes. So you can see the look that I got. And then the look of the mascara is just spectacular. Really beautiful. So happy I was able to share this with you guys. So happy the premiums are on their way and getting delivered. Like I said, I have a second one coming. I'll be more than happy to share that with you. Hopefully there won't be too many duplicates, but I definitely know that I chose this one, the foundation in another shade. So on that one, I'll be able to swatch both and give it to you. What I'm wearing on the rest of my face, I'll also share in that video, is the other palette that we got from Ofra, which you could have chosen for yourself also in premium. This initially was from the Luxe, and that is what I have on my face right now. I have the bronzer. I took a little bit of the pink from here, and then I used this highlighter as well. And that is how I created my look today. But like I said, this could have been a choice for you guys, but this is gonna last me forever, and I got it in a Luxe, so there was no need. And I wanted to always be able to have a second foundation so that I would be able then to, if my, you know, it's always nice to have two different color foundations if in the summertime your skin gets a little bit deeper or anything like that. So that's what I ended up doing. But we'll check it out when that box arrives. All right, so that's it for today, guys. Wanted to make sure to share this video with you. Please share with me if you got the premium also, and if you chose some of the same items as me. But like I'm saying, if you see any of these products, this box was to me a home run. If any of these were available or are available in the drop shop, they are absolute winners. And that's it for today, guys. So everyone, continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all again soon in my next video. Take care, everybody, and bye for now.